Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vyom.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nishi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shreya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. 12 बजे तो हम गुड मॉर्निंग कंसिडर कर लेते हैं, बट इट इज 12:40 नाउ. सन ऑन ओवरहेड नाउ गॉन.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shivan.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, Anoki. How are you?
ma'am. I'm great. How are you, ma'am?
Just like you. Great. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta. Fine. I think all have joined almost.
Yes, ma'am.
Anoki, what about your singing sessions? You are not doing anymore? Or busy with your preparations now?
Ma'am, yes. I'm a bit busy right now.
Okay. It is always a pleasure to listen to you. Very sweet voice you have.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. I think we were doing geography, no? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ishi?
Yes, ma'am.
How much we have done? How much we have done? And where exactly? What exactly? Ishi, tell?
1 minute.
I think we were doing that PPT, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. And we were reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading from the book and sharing the PPT, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I'll share the PPT with you people.
Please take a revision test.
बेटा रिवीजन नेक्स्ट वीक. हमने बोला तो था कि रिवीजन हम नेक्स्ट वीक करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
I think this chapter is, I think very less portion is left now. So today we'll try to finish it so that, you know, we can utilize our time then. Why is it not opening?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Parush. Anvesha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me from the book where we were reading by the time I'm opening this PPT?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Parush.
Ma'am, we were doing the role of rivers in the economy.
Okay, role of rivers in the economy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Right. Can we have Anvesha reading? Anvesha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the book, not from the PPT. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Role of rivers in the economy. Rivers have been of fundamental importance throughout the human history. Water from rivers is a basic natural resource essential for various human activities. Therefore, river banks have attracted settlers from ancient times. These settlements have now become big cities. Have a list of cities in your state which are located on the bank of a river. Using rivers for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation is of special significance, particularly to a country like India, where agriculture is the most major source of livelihood of the majority of its population.
Okay. What else do we have in this?
Ma'am, river
Everything done?
pollution.
Continue.
River pollution. The growing domestic, municipal, industrial, and agricultural demand for water from rivers naturally affects the quality of water. As a result, more and more water is being drained out of the rivers, reducing their volume. On the other hand, a heavy load of untreated sewage and industrial effluents are emptied into the rivers. This affects not only the quality of water but also the self cleansing capacity of the water. For example, given the adequate stream flow, the Ganga River is able to dilute and assimilate pollution loads within 20 km of large cities, but the increasing urbanization and industrialization do not allow it to happen, and the pollution level of many rivers has been rising. Concern over rising pollution in our rivers led to the launching of various action plans to clean the rivers. Have you heard about such plans? Such action plans? How does our health get affected by polluted river water? Think about life of human beings without fresh water. Arrange a debate on this topic in the class.
Okay. Can you name some of the cities of UP which are located on the river banks?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Varanasi.
Ma'am, Kanpur.
Ma'am, Mathura.
Wait, not
Kanpur.
like beta, one by one. Okay, you people said Varanasi. So Varanasi is situated on which river? Which
Ma'am,
river?
Ganga.
Ganga. Very
River
good.
Ganga.
Okay.
Ma'am, Lucknow is situated on the river
Ma'am,
Gomti.
Rampur also.
Haridwar.
Ma'am, Haridwar.
Ma'am, Gad.
Ma'am, Haridwar on river
Ma'am,
Ganga.
Kanpur.
अरे तो ऐसे ऐसे अगर हम करेंगे तो हमें समझ में ही नहीं आएगा. वन बाय वन.
Ma'am,
Haridwar.
Lucknow on river Gomti.
Lucknow is situated on river Gomti. Very good.
Ma'am,
Varanasi is
Haridwar is
situated on.
Haridwar in Ganga.
अच्छा वेट हम नाम बोलते हैं, आप लोग बताइए, ठीक है. जिव्यांश, टेल विच सिटी ऑन विच
Gad.
रिवर? यस, टेल.
Ma'am, Gad on Ganga.
गढ़ और ऑन गंगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then can we have Parush telling?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Kanpur on Ganga.
Okay, Kanpur or on Ganga. Fine. Can we have Shivansh telling?
Ma'am, Lucknow on Gomti.
Okay, Lucknow on Gomti river. Very good.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, अरे अभी रुको. आराध्या, sorry, Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am, Haridwar on Ganga.
Haridwar on Ganga. Very good. But Haridwar is in Bareilly, in UP.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
हम तो यूपी की बात कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं.
May I?
Yes, ईशी.
मैम वाराणसी.
Kanpur, River Ganga.
वो तो गया. Be
Ma'am, may I?
attentive in the class. Be attentive in the class.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
मैम
Shiven.
प्रयागराज ऑन मैम प्रयागराज ऑन गंगा।
प्रयागराज ऑन गंगा.
यस मैम।
ठीक है. Which other city? Agra. Agra.
Ma'am, Yamuna.
Mathura.
Agra is on Yamuna. Why?
मैम गंगा।
हाँ.
नो मैम।
बेटा प्रयागराज is Allahabad only, no?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
बेटा वो
Yes,
खाली गंगा पे कहाँ पे है? वो गंगा और यमुना दोनों पे है ना भाई.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, Ayodhya on Saryu.
हाँ, अयोध्या on Saryu River.
Ma'am, Mirzapur on Ganga.
One by one. Ayodhya on Saryu River. Then Mirzapur you said.
Yes, ma'am, on Ganga.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, there is one more.
Jaunpur on Gomti.
Lucknow on Gomti. Who was this?
Ma'am, Jaunpur on Gomti.
Jaunpur.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, Allahabad on Triveni.
वो तो हो गया. प्रयागराज गंगा और यमुना में हो गया. और बताओ. चलिए ये तो हमारे स्टेट का हो गया. अगर हम आपसे पूछें कि बताओ गुवाहाटी कौन सी रिवर पे सिचुएटेड है, कैन यू टेल?
ब्रह्मपुत्र।
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra. Ma'am, Brahmaputra.
ओके. कैलकाटा.
Ma'am, Hooghly.
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 Ma'am, it is a
Cuttack?
tributary of Ganga only.
कटक. कोई बात नहीं. कटक.
Mahanadi.
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 मैम महानदी।
Mahanadi.
वेरी गुड. एंड पंजाब.
Ma'am, Jhelum.
Satluj.
Ma'am, Beas.
Satluj,
Beas.
Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas.
वेरी गुड. सी पंजाब इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 रिवर्स. ओके.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay, and if I ask you this Ludhiana.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Satluj.
मैम सतलज।
फिरोजपुर.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Very good.
Ma'am, Satluj.
What about this Leh and Srinagar?
Ma'am, Indus.
Leh is on Indus and Srinagar.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Srinagar on Jhelum.
Jhelum.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Jhelum.
Okay. Can you tell which city is situated on the banks of Dakshin Ganga? You have to tell the name of the river also.
मैम गोदावरी।
Okay. And which city is
Ma'am,
situated?
Godavari.
Godavari. ठीक है. Very good. Dakshin Ganga. Which city is situated on the banks of Godavari?
Ma'am, Nasik.
Nasik. Very good.
Nasik.
Anvesha.
Nasik.
Very good. Okay. Coming to और कौन से पूछे हम आपसे? Do you know where is Dibrugarh? Anybody in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
where is Dibrugarh?
Assam.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Very
ma'am,
good.
Assam.
So Dibrugarh is again situated on the river banks of.
Brahmaputra.
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 Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Brahmaputra.
वेरी गुड. चलिए. अच्छा ये अहमदाबाद कौन सी रिवर पे सिचुएटेड है?
साबरमती।
त्रिवेणी।
Ma'am, Sabarmati.
साबरमती।
साबरमती. हु सेड त्रिवेणी? नो प्रॉब्लम्स. कंफ्यूजन सबको होता है. चलो.
Ma'am, where is Triveni situated?
त्रिवेणी आपकी जो है. अच्छा त्रिवेणी किसको बोलते हैं आपको पता है?
Sangam.
संगम को बोलते हैं. एग्जैक्टली. और ये आपका कहाँ पे है? इलाहाबाद में. ठीक है. गंगा यमुना और सरस्वती. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
तो दिस वाज द चैप्टर. आई थिंक जितना इजी ये लगता है उतना इजी वैसे ये है नहीं, क्योंकि इसके अंदर माइन्यूट डिटेल्स बहुत है बेटा. ठीक है. तो जब आप पढ़ोगे इस चैप्टर को तो मेक श्योर. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम आपके साथ फ्लो चार्ट शेयर कर लेंगे इसके. ठीक है.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, anything in the chapter that you have not understood? Class?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Everything clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let us do one thing. Quickly, let us do the question answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Here we go with the who will read out the first exercise? MCQs?
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, Molly.
Ma'am, first one is, in which of the following states is the Vuller Lake located? Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir. Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir is a state.
Union Territory.
Ma'am, Union Territory.
So when you get the question, you'll get the question that we need. Okay, next, can we have Abhishri reading? Yes, Abhishri, are you there?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
बेटा अब आ रही है?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
do the
Yes, ma'am.
second one?
Saksham next.
Ma'am, may I?
Saksham next.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, Saksham. Read out.
The river, yes, ma'am. The river Narmada flows at, ma'am, Amarkantak.
The question is, River Narmada has its source
River,
at Amarkantak. Okay, very good.
yes,
Next,
ma'am.
next can we
Ma'am,
have
may I?
Mihika?
Ma'am, may I?
Next, Mihika.
Which one of the following lakes is a saltwater lake? Sambhar.
It is Sambhar Lake. Where is Sambhar Lake situated? Do you know which state? Mihika?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Paulo.
Kerala.
No, ma'am.
सांबर लेक कहाँ पे है?
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
राजस्थान. Very good, Shivansh. Yes.
Jaipur.
Okay, Tarun. Agreed. Chalo. Next.
Ma'am, can you please tell the answer second once again?
Second answer is Amarkantak. Okay, third one. Can we have Anokhi reading out?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Yes.
Which one of the following is the longest river of the peninsular India? Ma'am, Narmada.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, Godavari.
Godavari.
Ma'am, Godavari.
Godavari.
Sorry.
Ma'am, Godavari.
Okay, fine. It is not Narmada, it is Godavari, beta. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I said by mistake.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one?
You have to tell me the question first.
Which of the
Sambhar.
following is
It is
saltwater
Sambar.
lake?
Salt Lake, Sambar Lake.
Okay.
चलिए. Next, which one amongst the following rivers flows through a rift valley?
Ma'am, Tapi.
Tapi.
Ma'am, Tapi.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Tapi.
Yes,
Tapi.
Tapi. And suppose it was Narmada over here, then what would have been the answer?
Ma'am, Narmada.
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 Ma'am, Narmada.
Yes, these are the two rivers that flow through a rift valley. Fine. And what do they make? Delta or estuary?
Estuaries.
Ma'am,
Estuaries.
Estuary.
They make estuaries. Very good. Very good. Chaliye. Next is Okay, answer the following questions briefly. Can we have Taran reading out the question and answering? Taran? Taran, read out the question and tell the
Ma'am, may
answer.
I?
Sorry, ma'am. I forgot to unmute myself.
Okay.
What is meant by water divide? Give an example.
Tell.
Water divide is an elevated area, such as a mountain or an upland, that separates two drainage basins.
Right. Example. Give an example of water divide.
I don't know the examples.
Anybody else? Vyom, do you know the example?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shreya.
ma'am,
Ma'am.
Shivendra.
Huh?
Ma'am, an example of water divide is the town of Ambala, which is located between the Indus and the Ganges.
Very good. Ambala is a water divide that is between the Indus and Ganga river systems. Very good. Which is the largest river basin in India? Ishi?
Ma'am, what is the example of the water
Ma'am,
divide?
Beta Ambala. Ambala is the
Ma'am, may I?
example. Yes,
Ma'am,
Vyom.
between Ganga
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ganga
ma'am, may
Basin.
I?
Okay,
Ganga
but fine. You all can answer the question. Tell what is the answer? Largest river basin. in India?
Ganga.
Ma'am, Ganga Basin.
It is
Ganga
Ganga.
Basin.
Very good. It is Ganga. Very good. Then where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have their origin? Can we have Siddhi answering this question for Indus River? Okay, can we have Shivendra answering this question? Shivendra?
Ma'am, can you please tell the answer
Ma'am.
second, ma'am, and first example?
Example is Ambala, Indus and Ganga river systems, and largest river basin is Ganga. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Shivendra?
Ma'am, the river. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the river Indus rises in Tibet near the Mansarovar Lake,
Very
and the
good.
Ganga originates at the Gangotri Glacier.
Very good. Next, can we have
Ma'am, what
Shivansh?
is Indus origin?
Huh? Saksham?
Ma'am, Indus origin.
सक्षम आपकी आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही बच्चे.
Ma'am, what is the Indus origin?
Ganga originates at the Gangotri glacier.
Ma'am, can you also write
Ma'am, Indus.
Uttarakhand?
ना
Ma'am,
ना
may I
नहीं,
answer?
बिल्कुल नहीं. गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर लिखेंगे और कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे बेटा. यस तरन.
Ma'am, Gomukh.
नहीं, गौमुख भी नहीं.
Ma'am, Gangotri Glacier.
Gangotri glacier is the correct answer. Do not write anything else.
Ma'am, Indus Tibet.
And Indus is origin in Tibet near Mansarovar.
Mansarovar Lake.
Right?
Near Mansarovar.
Yes. Taran, next answer. Prashasti.
Ma'am, may I tell? The two head streams of Ganga are Alaknanda and Bhagirathi.
Okay, and where
They
did it?
both
Huh?
they both meet to form Ganga at Devprayag.
And where is Dev Prayag?
I mean Uttarakhand.
In Uttarakhand. Very good.
Uttarakhand.
Okay. Can we have Anoki answering the next question?
Ma'am, please repeat the fourth.
Repeat Prashasti, fourth answer.
The two head streams of Ganga are Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. They both meet to form Ganga at Devprayag.
In Uttarakhand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anoki, next answer.
Yes, ma'am. The question is, why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course?
Answer.
In Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water and less silt as it is a cold and dry area. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall. Here, the river carries a large volume of water and considerable amount of silt.
You
The
have
Brahmaputra has a,
no, Anoki,
only this much. ma'am.
you just have to write up till dry area.
All right, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Please repeat.
Anoki, repeat.
Yes, ma'am. In Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water and less silt as it is a cold and dry area. Ma'am,
Got
it is there on page number 21.
Yes. Got it, Parush?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, which two peninsular rivers flow through a trough? Can we have
Narmada and
Shreya
Tapi.
answering?
Narmada and
Yes.
Tapi.
Okay,
Narmada and Tapi.
That was very good.
Narmada and Tapi.
Very good, very good. Okay, now coming to the economic benefits of rivers and lakes. Who would like to answer this question, Anvesha?
Ma'am, I would like to answer Taran.
Acha,
Ma'am, may
Taran.
I?
Okay, very prompt. Huh? Ahana is not there today in the class.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, Mika, why she's not attending? Any idea, class?
Ma'am, I don't know. No,
Acha,
ma'am.
I'll-
I don't know.
No, ma'am.
Taran, answer.
Rivers and lakes are of great value to human beings. First point, they help to develop hydropower, provide water for irrigation, drinking, industries, and they help to develop fisheries. Second point, they will enhance natural beauty and
Ma'am, it
help
is
in
on which page
development
number?
of tourism
Tell
and
the
provide
page number also, Taran. Beta, page 23. Page 23, beta. Taran, carry on.
I'm only 2 points.
Only 2 points.
Yes, ma'am. I have to give more.
May I tell?
Okay, let Molly tell. Molly tell.
Lake can be used for generating hydroelectricity, first point. Then second point, a lake can be a good tourist attraction. Then third point, rivers have been the center of human civilization since ancient time. And ma'am, last point we can write, river water is used for irrigation, navigation, hydroelectricities, etc.
Okay. So which point do you think is more appropriate for the economic benefit part? 3 for lakes and 3 for rivers you give, your total 6 points will come. Right? Right, class?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we
ma'am.
write?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shivendra. Yes, ask beta.
ma'am, can we write salt water lakes are sources for manufacturing edible
Salt.
salt?
Yes, yes, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल लिख सकते हो आप. ठीक है? Do I
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to repeat this answer?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
Achha, I want Parush to repeat this answer for me from page 23. You have to keep in mind only the economic benefit part should be covered for lakes and rivers. I have told you the page number 23.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? बताओ.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first can be that lakes can be used for developing hydropower.
Very good.
Ma'am, second can be that they maintain the aquatic ecosystem and enhance natural beauty.
Very good.
And ma'am, third point can be this develops tourism and provide recreation.
Very good. And from the rivers?
Ma'am, rivers can be rivers are used for irrigation, navigation, and hydropower generation. Ma'am, they can be also used for agriculture purposes. Ma'am, and third point I don't know, ma'am.
आप इसी में से निकाल लो कि they are also used for hydroelectricity generation. which in return helps many industries to provide water. So I'm sorry, electricity. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
और फिर एक लेक्स का शिवेंद्र ने पॉइंट बताया था ना, सॉल्ट लेक्स के बारे में. What was that point?
Ma'am,
Shiv-
salt water lakes are sources for manufacturing edible salt.
Very good. ठीक है पौरुष?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, now coming to the next question. See below, you have lakes of India, names of lakes. You have to categorize them into natural and man-made, right? So I will call out the names. You will tell me which lake, okay? You can tell collectively. Buller Lake,
Natural.
lake.
natural lake.
I'm natural.
Okay, Dal Lake,
Natural.
very good.
Natural.
Nainital,
Natural.
Natural.
lake.
Bhimtal,
Natural.
Natural.
Govind Sagar,
Ma'am, man-made lake.
Human.
Man-made.
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 Very good, very good. Then Loktak,
Natural.
Natural lake.
natural. Bada Pani,
Natural.
Natural.
Chilika,
Natural.
Natural lakes.
Sambhar,
Natural.
Natural lakes.
very good. Then Rana Pratap Sagar,
Man-made.
Man-made.
Man-made lakes.
very good. Then Nizam Sagar,
Man-made.
Man-made.
man-made, very good. Then Pulikit,
Natural.
Natural.
very good. Nagarjun
Natural
Sagar,
lakes.
Nagarjun Sagar,
Man-made lake.
Man-made.
Man-made.
man-made, very good. Then Hirakund,
Man-made.
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 man-made, very good. All have done?
Ma'am, please tell the first
Yes,
third,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कौन सा देखो अब हम ABCD लिखा हुआ है ना आपके उसमें.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please
And
tell the A, B,
I'm
and
calling
C.
out ABCD जो natural है, ठीक है? Right, Prarush?
Okay, ma'am.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, L. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And remaining are the man-made ones. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next 3 questions that you have, I am sharing the screen with you all. You people can take out the what? Screenshot. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. Give me a minute to share the screen with you all. Yes, क्या? Okay. Class, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
tell
ma'am.
me. Now,
No, ma'am. Yes.
now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
difference between Himalayan and Peninsular rivers. Take the screenshot.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, please show the fourth one again.
Ma'am, taken.
All have taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, please wait.
Shivansh, acha.
Yes, ma'am. Now taken.
Okay, Shivansh, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Taken? Okay, with
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
all your chapter reading, explanation, question answers, everything done. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Ma'am.
map work already I have told you for this for the same chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Anything else left for you people to ask? Because we are left
No,
with
ma'am.
we are left with 3 minutes only.
Ma'am, I had a question in geography.
Yes, Shiven, please ask. What is your question?
Ma'am, wait 1 minute.
I have
One
a
minute.
question. Okay, you say I have a question.
Oh.
Bolo.
Okay, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, there is a question. What is the narrow channel of sea which separates two land masses known as? So, ma'am, the answer of this question will be straight now.
दोबारा बोलो question.
Ma'am,
Narrow.
what is the narrow channel of sea which separates two land masses known as?
Narrow channel of
Sea
hmm,
which separates
हाँ,
two land masses
masses. हाँ
known
बेटा,
as.
straight.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, it's a
Okay,
straight.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
straight ही होगा. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Beta,
ma'am, if a land divides two seas, a narrow passage of land.
a narrow passage of land that divides two seas.
Yes.
वो तो water divide हो गया.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Karan, please ask.
Ma'am, why the rivers of South India are seasonal despite getting a lot of waterfall? Sorry, waterfall, rainfall.
नहीं बेटा, सबसे पहली बात तो ये पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स है. पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स का जो ओरिजिन है, इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम द हिमालयन रीजन. कोई ग्लेशियर ओरिजिन तो है नहीं इनका. इनका ओरिजिन क्या है? सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स है किसी का कहीं और से है. तो बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव अ ओरिजिन वेयर कॉन्टिन्यूस वाटर इज सप्लाई. क्योंकि इनका जब ओरिजिन होता है तो बरसातों में पानी होता है इनके अंदर, और जैसे जैसे बारिश खत्म हो जाती है उसके बाद जैसे जैसे समर्स का सीजन आता है वैसे वैसे ये कंप्लीटली ड्राई अप हो जाती है. मतलब जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर होता है उसका परसेंटेज बहुत ही कम होता है इन रिवर्स में, तभी इनको सीजनल कहा जाता है. ठीक है? पर ओके फाइन. पर जो है क्या बोलते हैं, जो आपकी हिमालयन रिवर्स होती है, क्योंकि इनका जो ओरिजिन होता है इन रिवर्स का, इट हैज गॉट ग्लेशियर दिस थिंग ओरिजिन. क्योंकि ग्लेशियर से मेल्ट होके इनका पानी निकलता है, तो थ्रू आउट द ईयर ग्लेशियर से पानी मेल्ट होके प्लस रेन फेड भी होती हैं ये रिवर्स. एक तो ग्लेशियर से पानी मिल रहा है, दूसरा रिवर रेन जो है इनको पानी फीड कर रही है. तो दो सोर्सेज हो जाते हैं इनके पास. वेरएज पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स जो होती हैं उनके वो सीजनल इसलिए होती है क्योंकि उनके पास सिर्फ रेन ही होता है जो सोर्स होता है ऑफ द वाटर. एम आई क्लियर?
Ma'am, you mean that
Yes, ma'am.
peninsular rivers do not have a specified source?
ना, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, they do not have a specified source. That is why, and more of the water that it has, it is by the rains. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. All right.
चलो
Ma'am,
classes.
can you please tell ma'am what Salt Lake helps in?
Salt Lake बेटा salt obtain करने में help करते हैं.
Okay,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
चलो, less than 1 minute
Yes,
is
ma'am.
left. Anytime the meeting is going to end. Thank you for the session. All the best for your preparations. Prepare well. Do not panic. Right? All the best.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
So much, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, बच्चे.